I don't want to hear any comments about, oh, he's wearing the same jumper. Well, guess what? I like this jumper. What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how Wiz Khalifa made Contact on FL Studio. This is how the song starts. First off, we have this flute melody. That was made on Omnisphere. We're using the Village vocal pipe, and I've turned off the breathing effects. I actually brought it down an octave, so this is what it sounds like without any effects. But we're using pitch wheel to bring it up an octave. Then we're cutting out some of the lows using parametric EQ2. Then we're backing it up with this hang drum. I found this preset on Omnisphere as well, and all we're doing is bringing up the timbre. Then we have this soft bassy sound that I made on Serum. So to make the sound, just go into Serum and Basic Shapes, and that will bring up this sine wavetable. Then for effects, we're using Hyperdimension and a bit of chorus. So far it's sounding like this. Then we're making this sound, which sort of messes with the reverb. Again, we're using Omnisphere because it's just so good with different ethnic instruments. For this sound, we're using the mandolin tremolo, and I didn't do anything to it inside of Omnisphere. Then outside of Omnisphere, we're using RC Retro Color, and we're bringing up the space. That gives it this cool, like, spacey reverb sound. Then I went to create an automation clip, and here we brought the mix up to around 70% for the first bar, and then it comes down on the second bar. So you can pretty clearly see here how the reverb is affecting the sound. Then we have a few other different blips of instruments coming in. That's the mandolin A. That's the Village vocal pipe. Here we're introduced to this new guitar melody. I'm not even going to try to play it on the piano. Again, for this sound, we're using the hang drum on Omnisphere. And we also have the Egyptian Saz A. So these instruments here are all melodic, and then after 8 bars, we introduce the percussion. This is the pattern that the 808 and the kick go through. So the 808 that we're using here is the original 808 Mafia 808. And backing that up, we have the rack kick. The hi-hat pattern is pretty simple. It only plays every step. And for the clap, we are using the Metro Boomin snare, as well as the Luger slap clap. Then we have a few bongo sounds, a percussion bell sound, and this rolling clap loop. That's it for the instrumental. Again, I'm going to leave the FLP in the description below if you want to have a more in-depth look at how this was made. Anyway, I'll play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.